friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share a few items that I've purchased from Dollar Tree. I also have some Temu stuff and Walmart. So we're just going to go through it and I'm going to show you what I picked up. Starting with Dollar Tree, I did find this really cute pink tree for Valentine's Day, and I want to turn it into a Barbie tree for my birthday. So we're going to decorate that together in a separate video, but I'm going to show you some of the stuff I found for it. So I found this really pretty pick, and I thought we can use this as a topper for our Valentine's Day tree, even for our Barbie tree. So yeah, that'll be really cute. And then I picked up these ornaments. You get 6. They also had these in red, but I just really like that pink color and it matched the topper. And yeah, they're really cute. Now, what I did though is I did cut down the strings because they're way too long. So I cut those down and they're really cute. You just have to kind of be careful putting them on because they are so short. So we'll decorate that together one day because I still need to make a tree skirt and put the lights on, which I did find some pink LED lights. So we're going to put those on the tree. And then, okay, so we saw those. I did pick up this lace. And it's really pretty. I don't know if I want to put it on the tree though. I think I'm just going to use it for making outfits and stuff. It's very pretty. I kind of wish I would have picked up 2 packs, but you do get 3 yards in there. But look at how beautiful that lace is. And then I picked up 1 fabric. I really don't need any more fabric, but I just love it. And this is just a bee design. And it has like little bees all over it. I loved it. I also got some of these little bags. They're just tiny little bags, and these are perfect for doll clothes. Let me see if I can get them open. They're perfect for like sorting your doll clothes. So they're just long and skinny, and these are perfect. So that's what I'm going to use those for. And then they also had some glitters this time. They're jumbo glitters. Very pretty. So I got the pink. And then I got the blue. So we can use these in resin or just doing cute little decorations. I even thought we could Mod Podge like I love you or something on these little heart ornaments or paint on them or something. I don't know yet. I might just put them on as is, just depending on what I decide to do there. And then I also picked up these tube confetti. Now I love these in like slime and stuff, but I thought these would be really cool in resin. So we're going to give that a try. You get blue, pink, and green. And then I did get some stuff from Walmart. Let's see here. This was after Christmas, so this stuff was on sale pretty cheap. I did find this big spool of ribbon. It is 7 foot and it's pink with snowflakes. And I thought maybe I can use this one year for the tree after I do the Valentine's theme because it does have snowflakes. So I'm not sure if I'd want to put it on now, but I think I paid like, I want to say $1 or $2 for that. I also have these cute little gnomes. They're so cute. I can't wait to use these. But I thought if I don't use them yet, we can use them next year. This one right here, we might be able to make for Valentine's Day. We can probably put like a heart and he might be able to go on the tree. Maybe all of them. So we'll see. And then I got this little mini tree skirt because I've been just using these mini trees around the house because I have cats. And this was a really good deal too. I think everything was like 75% off. So really cute. And I love the little pom-poms. I also picked up some more small ornaments. These are perfect for dolls, but they're just little baskets. And I think I'm going to be able to take these little pieces out. We'll see. But I kind of like them as is, but I just thought those were so darling. I love the little pink velvet bows. I also got this pack. They're just little cars with trees, cute for the doll rooms, or even if you decorate these tiny trees, these are perfect. And these were like 60 something cents if I'm not mistaken. So really good buy on those. Another pack of these, I just liked them so much and I thought if I took them apart I'd have one that was together. But these are really cute little baskets. And then I got this tool. It was in the Christmas section, but it does not look Christmassy. So we might be able to use some of this on the tree or to make something for the tree. If not, we'll use it for doll clothes. But it has stars and it looks like little moons and just confetti on it. So I got a roll of that. And then I found these little ornaments that I can use next year. But there's unicorns, penguins, just a bunch of pink and greens. I really like this combo. Just imagine that on that pink tree. How cute would that be? And one thing in here is Christina's. She picked up this cute little ornament here. It's a little cat and it's the little truck. So she picked that out. So that's all I got for Walmart. Now we're going to move on to Temu. So for Temu, I did want to show you this skirt. Now I got this in my last haul, but I told you guys I would show you in a video. It actually fits really good and it was super, super cheap. I love it. So I'm probably going to pick up a few more. And this is just a doll that I've been working on customizing. And now on to our Temu goodies here. So I got some more jewelry, pliers. These are a little small, but they'll work. Mine are just falling apart and getting rusty, so you get 3, and I paid $2.87 for those. So not a bad deal at all. I also got this cross mold. I want to make some things for my church, so I thought that would be great. I got these. They're really cute little decals of cows. Oh my god, I love them. And then I got some more glitters for resin and crafting. I got this one, which is like blue, pink, and yellow. And then this one has just a bunch of different colors in it. I see some purple, some blue, some pink, and just very pretty. To go with that, I did get these. They're little bunnies with little eggs for Easter. Wouldn't those be so cute? Especially these two together, even those. I just thought they'd be cute for Easter, so I did pick those up. And I also got this decal, which is, oh, it's going to be hard to see. Let me get it out here. So this decal looks like this. And it's just cowboy boots, really cute. And it came with 2 for like $1, I think. Somewhere around in there. I usually don't pay more than $1 for some of this stuff, unless otherwise, like the pliers were 3. And then I got these foils. They're in this because they're not what I thought they were. They're actually nail foils. I took them out of the original package, but you put them on your nail and then it kind of like scratches off. But I was hoping they were ones that I could put in resin, so I might try to figure it out and see if I can get those in resin. But as for now, I just set them aside. We'll figure them out later, and I'll let you know how they work. I also ordered some more of these. These are the antique brass ones. I have a bunch of antique brass charms that I'm working on, but I can't find my antique brass keychains, so I know I ordered some, so I bought another pack. I also got 2 of these. These were 20 cents, I think. And they're just resin spatulas. And then they have like a little spoon on the end for like scooping. So hopefully these work good. Can't beat it though. So I got 2. Now I know I'm not going to wear these till next year, but they were on sale after Christmas. And I love a funny earring or like a statement earring that just, you know, turns heads. So I found these. Look at them. I just had to have them. Like, so funny. I love stuff like that. So I got those. I'll wear those next year. Maybe like a white elephant type party. And then I got these molds. There's a puppy and a kitty, and these are self-defense weapons. I don't have one on me right now, but I did make a cat one out of another mold, but I picked those up. And if you're looking for any custom made ones, I do make them custom, so feel free to let me know if you want to order some. This glitter is beautiful. It is this hot pink, and I have some Barbie molds that will look so pretty with this. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using it on that. I found this glitter and I had to get it. It was a beautiful mix. Hot pink, like super hot pink. And then I think this is the last thing. This isn't an exciting haul. I haven't ordered in a while from Temu. I don't order as much anymore. But I just ordered some of these. They're for like your cuticles, but I use them for resin as well. So I got a big pack. And these were like $2 because you got quite a bit in there. But I use them for resin when they over pour. You can use this and kind of like scrape the resin. So they work really good. So that's all I got from Temu. And then I got 2 envelopes in the mail. It says 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, and these are from my friend Lou over at the Real Prince Club. So thank you so much, Lou. I'm opening them now, so I'm going to pause the video and open these up and show you what she sent over. Okay, so here's number 1. Oh my goodness. Is this? It is. Oh my goodness. It's a little outfit. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to put that on a doll in just a second and show you what it looks like. She is so talented at making sock outfits for Barbie, and she sent me one. Oh, I'm sorry I waited to open this. It is a Christmas thing, so I'm so sorry that I'm just now getting to it, but it says, "May your heart be filled with joy and your stockings overflow with Christmas cheer. Love, Lou. Merry Christmas." That was so sweet. Aw, that's so sweet. I love that. Thank you so much, Lou. I'm going to put it on this doll here. And let's go ahead and open 2 of 2. I'm trying to be careful, so I have some scissors here. So cut this top of the envelope. There we go. All right. Here's number 2. Try not to rip the envelope too bad. I like to keep everybody's addresses. Okay, so here is number 2, and it says deck the halls. And we have, ooh, is this a wig cap? Oh my gosh, I hope it is. I think it is. Okay, let me read this one. It says, "Dear Erica, this was going to be for you when you were sick, but I lost the card and had to open it to figure out whose this went to. It's now one of the 2 cards. Love the Real Prince Club / Lou. I added decals and wig cap as extras." Oh, it is. Okay, so this is a wig cap for making wigs for dolls, which is amazing. I've needed one of these, so thank you so much. And looky, we have some Needle Playboy bunnies. Oh, I love those decals. Oh, there's tons in here. Look. Ooh, these are gonna be so cool. Oh, there's a Chanel one, a Louis Vuitton, and I think this is lacrosse, or you'll have to tell me. I can't remember the alligator. I think it's lacrosse. I can't remember the name brand, but for the alligator. But these are so pretty, and these are going to be perfect for making doll stuff. So she sent those over. Oh, and look! Oh my god, Christina's going to want to steal those from me. The Mickey Mouses. Those are so cute, Lou. And then we have, let's see here. Oh yes, this is going to be perfect. I'm always looking for patterns. So we have some patterns here. Oh, this is exciting. Yeah, we have some patterns here. I'll have to test these out. Oh, look, there's a little guide for teeny time teens dolls. I wonder if these will work on LOL. She'll have to let me know. Or if they'll work on Barbie, possibly. These are really cute. Oh my gosh, I love that dress. I love that dress. Now, I'm not the best sewer yet, but this is amazing. I'm excited to try these. Thank you so much. This is going to come in so handy. And I think this is this one and this one go together. So it looks like the dress and then these two. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Lou. You really didn't have to do that. That was so sweet. What a sweet Christmas gift. So thank you so much to her. I'm going to have her YouTube channel here on the screen. She does a lot of YouTube shorts now and they're so cute. So definitely check those out. And then if I remember, I'll put her TikTok as well, but you can definitely head over to her channel and see all of her information and where she posts. And she's such a sweet friend. So thank you so much. I'm going to go throw this on a doll real quick because like, how cute is this? I can't even right now. I absolutely love this. And look, it even has feet. So let me go put this on a doll. I cannot wait to see it. So yeah, we're going to go try that on. And by the way, before I forget, yes, this is the little wig form. And I think it's for Barbie. I don't have one near me other than her. And I don't know if this is going to work on her. Okay, so there you can see. I think this might be for, Bratz maybe? We'll see. I'll have to ask her, but this is perfect because I love making doll wigs. And I actually have made all of my doll, my wig forms out of glue and cotton. So this is perfect because it's silicone, so I can remove it. Ah, thank you. That's going to come in so handy. Anyways, let me go put that doll outfit on and show it to you guys. Okay, stop. This is too cute. Ah, oh my god. I cannot wait to put this on my Made to Move curvy. But I just put it on this doll so I could show you real quick. But oh my god. And I was looking when I was putting this on. It has a tail. Look, it has a little piggy tail. This is just too cute. Like, look at this. She's so talented at making these. Like, I could never. Like, I've tried making these and I'm not that great at them because I always cut them either too short or I cut in the wrong spot. But that is the cutest little PJ. I'd actually love to do some photos in this little outfit of my doll. So thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. I loved everything. I also have a friend mail from my friend Stephanie, which I'm going to share in another video because she has sent me so many cute things, but she sent me some silicone molds, which I'll show you one. I'm prepping this one right now, but she sent me a bunch of them. And I'm going to be showing you a video of me using them and stuff and all the ones she sent. So this is one of them. And I'm prepping it for a pair of earrings. It looks a little dirty, but that's because I put some powder on it. I swear you guys are the sweetest friends. And I just want to say thank you again to Lou and Stephanie and all of you for just being amazing friends in the community. It means so much to me. And I wanted to share these cute little things with you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to check out Lou's channel, The Real Prince Club. I'll have it linked below. I'll also have Stephanie's channel linked below as well. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video.